Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications. Welcome back to Shrishna and me. Today in this video I am going to show you origami sleeves with drafting, cutting and stitching. In this video I explained in detail with proper measurements for kids and elders. To stitch these sleeves, firstly I have taken normal sleeves pattern on drafting sheet. Here the sleeves I am making for 6 to 7 years old kid. Now on this drafting sheet, first I will draw a straight line like this at the center. Now from the center, I will mark 1.5 inches on both sides and I will draw a line from this point to the bottom center. Now mark another points on both sides with 1 inch gap from the previous point as shown. In this way, after giving markings, now I will connect these 2 points to the bottom center. Now again mark another points on both sides with half inch gap from the previous point as shown and connect these 2 points to the bottom center. Now I'll trim on this marked lines from the bottom center. Here, make sure not to trim at the center and also not to trim till up to the other end points totally. Stop it before half or quarter inch to the marked points. Here I am making these sleeves for 6 to 7 years old kid. If you are making for elders, add half inch for these markings. That is, wherever I has taken 1.5 inch, you can take it as 2 inches. Wherever I has taken 1 inch, you can take it as 1.5 inch. In the half inch place, you can take it as 1 inch. Now I will place this drafting on this main fabric like this. Here at the top I am leaving 1 inch fabric and I will secure with pin at the center. From the center to the first layer of both sides, I will maintain 2 inch gap and secure pins. Now from this first layer to the second layer on both sides, I will maintain 1.5 inch gap and secure pins. Now to the second layer and third layer on the both sides, I will maintain 1 inch gap and secure pins. These sleeves I am making for kid, right? If you are stitching for elders, make sure add 1 inch to the given markings. That is, in the place of 2 inches, you can take it 3 inches. In the place of 1.5 inch, you can take it as 2.5 inches. In the place of 1 inch, you can take it 2 inches. Now I will draw outer line to this drafting. And I will highlight these markings on this fabric like this. Now I'll trim this extra fabric and I'll separate this drafting paper from the main fabric. In this way, after giving markings on the fabric, now I will fold the first layer points at the top and bottom like this. Bring it to the center and I will secure pin. In the same way I will do it to the other side also. In the same way now I will hold second layer points at the top and bottom like this and I will bring it to the center and secure pin. In the same way I will do it to the other side also. Here make sure that all the pleats should be proper. It should not go up and down while you are securing with pins. In the same way, third layer point also I will bring it to the center like this and I'll secure pin. In the same way I will do it to the other side also. In this way sleeve is almost all ready with 6 pleats. Now I will give stitch here so that pleats will not move. In this way, after giving stitch, now I will trim extra fabric and I will remove pins. If you want to attach lining to the sleeves, at this moment you can attach normal sleeve pattern to this sleeves and you can turn it back. Here I am not going to attach lining, just I am going to give piping. To give piping, I have taken 1.5 inch width fabric and placing at the back side of the fabric like this, and I am giving stitch. After giving stitch, now I will give slight notches like this, and I will double fold the fabric towards upside and I will give top stitch. In this way, after giving stitch, now at the center you can place pearl, bead or show pattern so that the sleeve will be ready like this. I hope sharing this idea may really helpful for you. You can stitch this type of sleeves to the normal lehenga blouse or saree blouse. It looks very pretty. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.